top 5 SLS 3D prints of 2023. This year has been an exciting one for any 3D printing enthusiast, as we've seen many extraordinary parts, crazy designs and fascinating applications. So in this video we'd like to take a look back and crown our personal top 5 uses of the selective laser sintering technology. Number 5. Hairdryer attachments. When it comes to unconventional shapes and innovative concepts, these 3D printed hairdryer tops certainly take the cake. After printing them on the Sintratec S3 using our robust PA12 nylon, we tested them in a local hair salon. Here, they were able to effectively change the airflow of the hairdryer without melting. With some adjustments, they could be suitable for different styling purposes, such as diffusing or adding volume. Coming in at rank 4, rover components. At the University of Applied Sciences Northwestern Switzerland, a team of students built a functional rover in just 1 year. For certain components, they needed especially robust and accurate pieces, which is why they turned to SLS. For example, they used a 3D printed joint part that transmits the movement of the belt drive to the carbon tube of the rover's arm. With their latest model, the team even took second place in this year's European Rover Challenge. Our rank 3 is a gear for the automotive industry. What makes this part special is the way it is made, by means of the cold metal fusion process, a novel method that uses metal spiked plastic powder and SLS printers. As with polymers, it starts with 3D printing and depowdering. The parts then go into a debinding station where a chemical solvent removes part of the plastic. Finally, the gears are sintered into full metal pieces inside a furnace. In our opinion, this is an exciting new way to produce complex metal parts that could set a new standard in additive manufacturing. Our number 2 is a cable pulley. This part is actually a 3D printed component used in our own 3D printers. More specifically, the pulleys are used to move the coater blade of our build module each time a new powder layer is added. Since the component is in direct contact with the powder, it has integrated flow channels to prevent it from getting stuck. For us, it is much more efficient and economical to produce this part in-house rather than commissioning it. Combined with its intricate design, we think this is a great showcase for the benefits of 3D printing. And our pick for 3D print of the year is the world's possibly longest SLS chain. Cool enough, this part was printed in a single shot and arranged to fit perfectly in our cylindrical build volume. This goes to show that even with a print height of only about 30 centimeters, you can actually produce parts that are over 10 meters long. Best of all, the chain actually turned out to be quite durable. We first tested it by pulling 6 bottles of water up our office building. And then, in our personal highlight of the year, we attached the SLS chain to a car and managed to drag it. So, these were our favorite SLS applications of 2023. Did you 3D print something special this year as well? Let us know in the comments, and make sure to follow us for more exciting 3D printing content in the next year. Stay healthy, and until then.